Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take a social science class for class 2 students. Our today's topic, lesson 18, short question 1 and 2, CW. So let's see our today's class. Class 2, subject social science, term annual, topic lecture lesson 18, short question 1 and 2 CW, lecture 11, SW 11, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's see our today's class. So lesson 18, short question 1 and 2. Number 1, short question is write 5 sources of water. So let's write the answer. We'll write the answer. Water is essential for our life. Water is essential. ESSENTIL. This is not essential. This will be essential for our life. So water is essential for our life. LIFE, life. The 5 sources of water. The 5 sources of water are SOURCES, sources of water are, will be rain. We can get water from rain. We can get water from pond. We can get water from river. Then sea and ocean. OCEAN. So, write 5 sources of water. Answer: water is essential for our life. The 5 sources of water are rain, pond, river, sea, and ocean. Okay. Number 2 question is write 5 works done by water. So, the 5 works done by water. The T will be capital, you know, the first letter of a sentence always will be in capital. The 5 works done by water are, first one will be, we use water for drinking. The most important work of water is drinking. We drink water so that we may live. Then next one is cleaning. Clean our clothes, ourselves also. Next one, growing plants. Growing plants, PLANTS. Okay. Next one is, okay, let me write here. We take bath for bathing. And last one is producing electricity. So water is also used for producing electricity. Water is used for producing electricity in Kaptai Wrath, in Kaptai River. From the Kaptai River we produce electricity. Okay, electricity. So write 5 works done by water. Answer is the 5 works done by water are drinking, cleaning, growing plants, bathing, and producing electricity. Okay, let me read again. Question number 1, write 5 sources of water. Answer: water is essential for our life. The 5 sources of water are rain, pond, river, sea and ocean. Number 2, write 5 works done by water. The 5 works done by water are drinking, cleaning, growing plants, bathing and producing electricity. Dear students, your SW will be 11 and SW will be lesson 18, SQ 1 and 2. Okay, so this will be your SW lesson 18 short question 1 and 2. So my dear students, thanks for watching this class. Do your assigned SW at home and submit on Saturday. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home, avoid your parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again till then. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.